Silly girl's got food on her beak.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it all quickly.
Welcome to our chicken farm. Charlie and Sean and Zoe's chicken farm. Zoe's currently not here. We'll just start you off with our broody girls. We're gonna have chicks. Hey mama. You sitting on a few eggs, eh girl? Not sure. That's beautiful girl.
She was a bit feisty the other day. She was a bit angry at us.
She was a bit grumpy at us, eh?
Yeah, I don't know why she was.
It's because we moved their bed. She was not happy.
Yeah, we moved it because they were in a small spot, so we moved them into a much bigger spot.
Yeah, so they can spread. Now we're in here, eh? Heaps of room.
Yeah, he's really much.
But she was not happy. This girl, she's beautiful.
She doesn't harm you at all.
Nah, she loves you.
Yeah, she's a beautiful girl.
She's gonna be a good mama.
Yeah. And I'll love you on them turn around all day.
This is Charlie's chicken. He didn't want her getting wet. So he's brought her in here and she is a broody. She's just special.
She was in here for the night.
She's pulling on my chair. Oh, she's pulling up here. Oh my gosh.
Where?
In a red cage.
Oh God.
This girl here, she's our grumpy one too. We'll need some light. Bring a light. You alright, my darling? No, she's not a happy camper. She likes privacy.
Yeah, she likes her
There's
privacy.
Charlie's chicken's bed, even though I don't think she might hop in it. Look. Actually, we better keep an eye out for some of her eggs. We might be standing on them. She loves you, eh, Charlie?
Small girl. Look, she doesn't even leave me.
Doesn't even want to leave him. She loves him. He looks after her.
Yeah, I look after her the most. Hey, my girl.
Some beautiful girls. I think we're going to end up with about 30, 40 little chicks
Yeah.
in our little farm here. Good for the mental health. Because our mental health is important.
All of our chickens are really great mums.
Roasty road.
Look at that river. It looks like it's fat. It looks like it's fat.
Oh yeah.
It looks
There's
fat.
my favourite. She's beautiful.
Yeah, she's a beautiful girl.
Where are you going, buddy?
Inside,
Got a roasty, he's naughty. He's a little naughty guy. Come on, go for a walk outside, girls. Doors open. There you go.
Here's Dad's chicken.
Good girls.
Oh, look at her.
Oh, silly girl. Oh, we need to clean out in here, I think. Might have to do that. Oh, there's an egg on the ground.
Where?
They must be pushing them out. There's a couple eggs on the ground. Oh yeah, look, we need to clean out in here.
No, it's because all the chickens would have came and satched.
Oh look, oh the crackers. Okay.
Oh, we got 9 eggs there. 1, 2.
Okay, well
Anything under?
put them together, eh, just to keep
Is there
it there.
anything under?
That one looks like she's been sitting on those. Actually, they're very warm.
Sometimes there's
All
some
of them
under
are.
there.
Under.
Yeah. May seem weird, eh? But sometimes it is. Here's Dad's chicken.
Here's my chicken.
I gave it to him for his birthday.
Hey,
I gave it to him for his birthday.
she's lovely.
Just a baby. Just a little baby.
Just a little baby.
Just a little baby.
Still is just a baby.
Just a baby.
Just a baby, baby.
Just a little baby. Come on, jump out. Look, I'll come round you so you can get it. Jump out. Oh, she's gone a bit crazy. Come on, Mum. Jump out. Good girl. Well, good morning, Maya. How are you today? Hello. Well, I'm scattering around the place.
Maya, she's up pest control. Hey, Miss Maya. She keeps order.
Whenever we leave the house, she sits outside the chicken cage.
She keeps order around here, mate.
Just to make sure nothing comes and have a rooster room. Oh, at the back, eh? That's a rooster. No, those 3 roosters appeared. Where's Ivy? Ivy, get out of my
Oh, pest control number 2's woken up. Hello, beautiful.
Well, she's not beautiful because she scratches herself.
She scratches herself.
It makes marks
She
on her
does.
body. Hey, Missy.
She's getting
Hey,
better
Missy
though.
Lou.
She gets a bit itchy. No matter what we do. Aha, baths. Cover up your baths. They make them everywhere. Bath over there. Alright, you ladies alright? Love and leave ya?
Yeah, that was fun.
Yes.
Let me put that
Oh,
roof
we've got one more chicken. One more broody girl actually, we'll show you.
Oh, yeah, we'll show you. Come on. Come for a Broody.
We're going to have little baby chicks. I call myself the midwife. I'm their midwife.
Ivy, shh.
The wife laughs at me, but you know, whatever.
Beautiful girl.
I'm a midwife for all these chicks, all these hens. This is our first broody girl, so she'll be ready real soon. She was our first, so she got luxury. And because she's been by herself, we don't want to put her in with the other girls, eh, darling?
Hey guys, this isn't for you.
Say hello. Yeah? You only got about 10 days left, don't you, girl? So keep posted and we'll show you all our chicks. You can watch me midwife them, hopefully, if we're on and capture it live. Alright, subscribe. Follow us. Enjoy the content. Chickens, motorbikes, and mental health.